Good day everyone, good day miss. I am John P. Nazareno, a 4th year BSN student. And today, I will be presenting my cultural interview. And for this activity, I interviewed one of my friends to learn about their family health belief, practices, and experiences. And the purpose of this interview is to better understand how culture influences health decisions and to help us become more culturally sensitive and as a future nurses. And now I will begin with the interview through the video call. Good day, ma'am. Ako di ay si John P. Nazareno para mag-interview sa imo. But bago ta magsugod sa atong interview, ma'am, pwede ba tika pangutan-on kung unsa imong apelyido ug asa ka nagpuyo?
I am Drexia Jane N. Tactus and I live in Hapmanin Lukod, Baganga Davao Oriental.
Thank you, ma'am. So naa diri atong mga interview questions, ma'am. Then ready ka na ba, ma'am? Sa atong mga pangutana karon?
Ready na po.
Okay, here are the first question, ma'am. What are the health practices or beliefs did you learn from your family while growing up?
Growing up, Jud, is my family, ang pinakauna, Jud, niya, tinuturo nila sa amin is like to eat fresh, home cooked, and to drink adequate of water. So, most especially kapag like nauulanan kami, pinapainom nila kami ng like maraming tubig and like parang everyday na siya naging routine to us. And also, we believe that like proper hygiene and resting, ang pinaka-common na ginagawa is to rest. And also eating natural food are the best way to keep the body stronger and to prevent common sicknesses.
So, ikaduha is, what does your family usually do first when someone becomes sick?
When someone in my family kasi like they usually get sick, ang pinakauna talaga ginagawa is we start with our home care first. Yun yung pinakaunang options. And we make warm soups and gina-encourage namin sila na mag-take rest muna before continue the daily routine. Kasi ang katawan kasi natin, it technically needs rest. Kasi yun yung pinagkukunan natin ng lakas and everyday living. So, and also we make natural remedies, herbal teas or soothing rubs before decide na mag-visit sa doctor.
Okay. So, ang ikatulong nga pangutana is, are there traditional remedies, healing practices, or belief about illness that your family follows?
Yes, my family follows some traditional healing practices. Like for example, my minor aches and colds. We often use specific medical leaves like warm compress or herbal oils to help the body feel better like naturally while waiting na kasi tawag niya yung gumagamit kami ng remedies. It's because parang siya to cope up lang with the pain or sick of the particular patient before kami mag-decide if medical help is needed na ba or hindi pa.
So, ang ikaapat is, who usually makes important health decisions in your family?
Sa family talaga mostly ang the one who decides is yung parents and mostly then yung mga older family members. Pero throughout the discussion, we shared our thoughts our opinion about particular thing kapag meron nasasakit sa aming pamilya. And that thing is it helped us organize and also to make the plan na parang agreeable sa lahat ng nandun na sa circle ng family members.
So, ang ikalima nato na pangutana, ma'am, is, are there health practices or beliefs that are important to you but maybe misunderstood by other people?
Yes, meron kasi yung combining modern medical medicines and traditional remedies, and people usually misunderstand those things. It's because tingin mo nila is parang na parang na overtake na ng traditional remedies ang modern remedies, which is dili siya, is because for me, ang tingin ko sa kanila is they are both helpful in a ways na they support overall well-being of the particular person.
So, ang ika-6 is, have you ever changed or adjusted one of your cultural practices because of school, work, religion, migration, or interaction with other people? What changed?
Yes, I have adjusted my daily health habits. Living in and living kasi in fast environment would eventually make you to have a different route in terms of your daily habits. Like current is kumakain na lang ako ng mga meals na nabibili ko sa labas, and yung mga daily habits ko is I cannot like fully cannot fully tawag niyan yung nasusundan like before compared sa before. Though I still tried my best to cope up with those things na if ever possible is magagawa ko pa rin siya even until now.
So, sa atong last na pangutana, ma'am, is, do you think people sometimes make assumptions about your community? Give an example.
Oo, nag-assume sila na ang community namin is nag-ano lang dyan sila o traditional remedies, which is dili kay our communities uses both modern medicine and traditional remedies practices together.
Okay, maura to atong mga interview questions, ma'am. Salamat di ay sa imong pag-cooperate o pagpaminaw. So, what did I think I knew about this person's culture before the interview, and what did I learn after listening to the person's actual experience? So, before the interview, I thought my friend mainly depended on traditional remedies. Whenever someone in their families became sick, I assumed that their culture focused more on herbal medicine than modern healthcare. So, after listening to my friend's actual experience, I learned that my assumption was not completely true. I found out their family values both traditional practices and modern medicine. They use home remedies like herbal teas and medicinal plants for minor illnesses, but they also seek professionals' medicine care when needed. I also learned that family plays a very important role in making health decisions, and having loved ones present during illness gives comfort and helps with healing. Thank you.